It's beginning to look a lot like Advent. Hi, my loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome to day 16 of the Advent Calendar series. Recently, I did a live with Mama Does Nails here on YouTube, where a beautiful nail sister, Jo Misha, gave a suggestion to do holiday baubles with the new Snowy Layover collection. So in this video, I will be showing off those gorgeous nails alongside whatever magical goodie is inside the box. Day 16, y'all! What do you think it's gonna be? And more importantly, y'all gotta put those notification bells on. Oh, I don't even know why I said notification like that. I apologize. But you gotta put those bells on because there is a long box tomorrow, which could mean only one thing. There's a tool. But you need nail products to work, to use them tools. So let's see what's in box number 16. Between the gorgeous colors they released for a Snowy Layover and the beautiful goodies that are in this Advent Calendar box, Madam Glam has hooked you up with all of the shades, all of the sparkles, all of the tings for the holiday season. So for day 16, we have this darling blue. It is a royal blue, and this is called Driving Home. Now, I love the name so far. We have Madam Glam Airlines and Mountain Peak and Driving Home. Oh my goodness, these names match up with these gorgeous colors. Now, this is definitely 5 bottles on the opacity scale. You are gonna see in this swatch the coverage is insane. 1 coat is all you need. But I love to work in 2 thin layers. So we are just swatching until we can't swatch no more. As you see, this is a full coverage baby. I am so impressed with this blue. Now, my charm sister color is blue, so Madam Glam, you are speaking to my heart with this stunning color. Whew, I am weak. I actually want to pair this with Mountain Peak, y'all. I think that's a match made in heaven with a little line of Aspen Glam. Oh, okay. We are doing all the swirl nails coming up. Now, this is the gorgeous holiday baubles using Love at Frost Sight, Aspen Glam, Safe Freeze, and Rudolph. Now, this set shows you how versatile these flash reflectives are. You can paint your whole nail, or just do a darling swirl or a bauble, and Madam Glam has done all the hard work with this stunning color. As you can see, I was working with the Snowy Layover today, and it's all over my gloves. Those sparkles, they ain't playing. Oh my goodness, I give this stunning color Driving Home 1,000 out of 10. It's not even a 10 out of 10. This takes you home, baby. Oh my goodness, and paired with Aloha and Aspen Glam, I am feeling all of the blue magic. Woo, this is one of my favorites out of this box so far. This is so vibrant and so beautiful for the holiday season. And you can feel free to pair it with Aspen Glam, again, for the perfect holiday party nails. Oh, basically, everything in this box is holiday party style. I almost said almost, and I'm like, what are you talking about? This literally sets you up to be the star of the holiday party. For your Christmas feast with your family, they're all gonna be like, can you do my nails, please? I can't thank you enough for coming into day 16 and just for coming in every single day this month. It has meant the world to me, and for supporting the beautiful Charm Sisters, for you going into Mama Does Nails, Priya K's Nails, and Nailed by Envy's page, and seeing all the holiday magic they've been cooking up. So all of those channels for the Charm Sisters will be in the description box below, alongside sister codes, y'all, If you want to save 30% off, look no further. We have codes, y'all. I can't wait to see you for day 17. It is going to be extra magical because Madam Glam is giving us the gift of tools. I can't wait to see the brushes or whatever magic is inside. So please put those bells on so I can see you in tomorrow's video. Thank you, thank you. Seeing you here has meant the world. I'm giving you a huge hug. And I just can't wait to see you in tomorrow's video. Mwah! And remember, do all things with love.